Oh shit, what's up? What's up guys? What's up YouTube? So today is a special day for me. Is because, well, not really special, but I don't really care, but at the same time it's pretty exciting. It's because it's getting nicer outside. It's plus, I think, 10 today, plus 12, something like that. It's only April 6th. As in, like, that's pretty crazy. As in, like, it's not even the middle of April. But I'm going to pick up my car at the storage unit, like where I always put. I think a couple vlogs ago, or maybe like a year ago, I forgot, but when we picked it up at Lorette, it's the same place. Pretty exciting. I think right now is what, 3:30. I'm picking it up at 5. I'm going there with my brother, so I'll take you guys with me. And I guess you guys haven't seen any videos, but for the people that's been supporting me, or you guys already got a haircut from me, appreciate you guys. But this is the spot. It's called Lucky 7. It's my own business, my own shop. But yeah, I'll give you guys a tour quick. But I actually had like footage when I got this spot, when it's like bare, like nothing. But at the same time, I've just been so busy. Just wanted to give you guys an update because I'm trying to like push this out right away. Kind of like an update just for the 2024 season, what's gonna happen. But yeah, fingers crossed everything goes well, because I'm scared that like my car has misfiring still. At least before I put it in storage, it was like that. But okay, enough of this talk. But I'll just show you guys the shop. So into cars and you guys are following the night shift, as in follow my business, as in for my barber page, Lucky7barbershop.inc. And yeah, maybe you guys want to get a haircut, just let me know. There's a big parking outside. It's gonna be sick. Hopefully everything goes well today when I pick up my car and post this, and yeah, start with 2024 vlog. Yo, what did you cut? You just picked up a car or what?
Picked up a car, yo.
Damn, son, look at that, yo. So nice, something light, yo. Infinity. Yo, the paint is still nice, yo. Shout out to Jan, yo. It's been, what, 3 years now? I don't even wash this thing, bro. But, it's clean. I don't know. As in, like, I'm just excited. There's still snow patches over there. But, I don't know. It's just pretty sick just because it's only April 6th and I get to take it out. But this is what it looks like. Look at the paint, though. Damn. Fuck, that's sick, yo. What do you think about the wheels, bruh? Said bye to Bernie. Shout out to him, right? Letting me store this car, but here you guys go. As in the cockpit. Hopefully everything's good, but we'll see, man. As in, I'm gonna vlog it for you guys right now. It's not bad, but those things though, fuck, man, it's fucked. I just have to go like a little bit slow because my exhaust, but it'll be a fun vlog though. I'm actually the first to put my car at that garage, and then now I'm the first one to like we can pick it up too. Holy crap, my car is not running right. Damn, son. I have bald ass tires too. Okay, I'll put you guys down. Shit. Oh shit, never mind, yo. Damn, yo, I gotta pull my seatbelt too. So we just got home, but this guy wants to take it for a spin, baby. Take it out for a spin, cub, because he doesn't have his car yet. I got mine. She sounds fucking sick. I was actually stressed out a little bit because there's a lot of like undercover for speeding, but damn, son, man, look at that though. That's actually pretty nice, man. I like the wheels, yo. Not bad, yo. Shit. But yeah, he'll rip it down at the front, you know, the usual. The neighbor's gonna hate us even more.